Wonder where Manchester United are going to feature, given the optimism that you all had for them last season. Go on then, Ian.
Oh, fourth.
Well, we've got to put in the rider here that we don't know yet the full squads, do we, for every team? Certainly in Manchester United's case, we don't know, is Ronaldo going to be there? Cap thinks he's going to be gone. I don't know. Look, there's nothing that original there. I think it's going to be another close race between Manchester City and Liverpool. Tottenham, you'd think the way that they've strengthened, although they've got the Champions League distraction now, might put in a much stronger run than we've seen from them. They could make third place. I'm guessing United are going to be different, more dynamic. They might respond to Ten Hag. I think he might come off. I think there's a collective will there to change things. So that's a speculative pick for putting them in fourth place. Chelsea, well, they're in flux, aren't they? So a bit lower. But look, that's the first stab.
Why are you laughing, Stevie?
He's been playing darts. United, fourth.
You're not having it?
Oh, I'm not having that one, sorry.
Why not?
Why? Are they any better today than they were the last time they kicked the ball at the end of last season? I don't think so.
Did you go for them in the top four last season?
I did last season.
Why not this season?
Well, because they were, sixth last season?
Right.
And
things can only get better.
In my opinion, they haven't done anything to suggest they're going to be any better. So, why would they be in the top four?
Well, thank you very much for watching ESPN on YouTube. For more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for live streaming, premium content, and let's not forget as well, ESPN FC 7 days a week. Subscribe to ESPN Plus.